Let's get started with the tutorial for this beautiful piece. With the tutorial for this beautiful piece. Well, first of all, as always, let's pay attention to the key signature. In our key signature, we have one flat. Which note is flat? B, B flat, B, B flat. So keep in mind that if we have a B note in the piece, it should be played as B flat. We no longer play B natural, we play B flat. The time signature of our piece is 4/4. That means the piece has 4 beats per measure, and a quarter note gets 1 beat. All right, let's first take a look at the chords. There are just a few chords, and they keep repeating throughout the first page of the piece. That is almost in the first 4 lines. All right, the first shape we have in the left hand, pay attention to the first measure. If this is middle C on the piano, the first note we have in the bass clef is D. Which D? It's not the D an octave below, because this D is on the 3rd line of the staff. This is the D we have right here. Let's go. Play D with finger 5, then A with finger 2, and now the whole hand rotates and comes down on F with finger 1. You've seen this pattern in a lot of pieces, especially those at an intermediate level. Many of them use this format. D, A, F, A. The next measure continues in the same way, meaning again F, A, F, A. So it was very simple. The next 2 measures are repetitive again, just a bit faster. Now, what does our next chord start with? It starts with G, G with the same pattern, the same fingering, 5, 2, G, D. The hand makes a turn and comes onto B, but we know it's B flat, B flat.